Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Keri-Ann, and of course, Tulsi. I did not put him there. He came in here by himself. So I thought we'd do a cozy time yoga. We haven't done one of these in a while. It is winter and the weather has been very bipolar. It just snowed out and now the sun's back out. So I thought we'd do a cozy time restorative yoga practice. We're gonna do some slow stretching movements, and then we're gonna come back down to the ground, grab your pillows. You can use your bedroom pillows, grab a blanket because we're gonna get comfortable on the floor for savasana, a nice restorative relaxation. So stay tuned. Tulsi and I will be right back. Okay, we're back, and Tulsi is still here. He wants to do yoga today, I think. It's very cold out. So come into your comfortable seat. Let the hands rest face down on tops of your knees, and go ahead and float your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in and a nice long exhale. Deep breath in and a nice long exhale. One more time, deep breath in and a nice long exhale. Just allow yourself to sit here quiet and still. And with each exhale, begin to let go of any thoughts or distractions. And just allow yourselves to be in your moment, on your mat, in your space. And just take another breath in. And exhale, let everything go that's holding on to you. Just let everything go. And go ahead and open the eyes. We'll start with some stretching. I'm going to inhale the arms up overhead. Look at your thumbs. Exhale, slowly release the arms down. Tip the chin into your chest. Drop the hands to the mat. Inhale, slowly lift up. Look at your thumbs. Exhale, release slowly down. Release your fingers to the floor. One more time. Inhale, up, reach, 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 reach. And with the exhale, you're going to twist over to the left for a little twist. Sit up tall, gaze over your shoulder, or look over your right one. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, up, high prayer. Exhale, over to the other side, gazing over your shoulder, or look forward. Either one is fine. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, come back to center. Go ahead and bring your left arm overhead. Gaze underneath that armpit for a little side bend. Take a breath in and out. Inhale up. This time we do another stretch. Interlace those fingers to the ceiling. Get the stretch. Palms up for half palm tree. And then release over to the left. Right arm overhead. And take a breath in and a breath out. And inhale, come back up. Okay, Tulsa, I have to move my legs. So take your legs out. I'll move around him. Legs out. And we're going to grab the sole. So you can see me. Grab the sole of your right foot. Flex the left toes towards the ceiling and flex your right toes as well. See where your knee is. Hang on to that knee and just rock a little bit. Just rock back and forth, nice and slow. A little bit of a hip opener. Especially if you've been sitting a lot, this is a nice one to do. Then put your hand on the back of the leg there and just give a little squeeze into your chest. Nice little stretch. Sit up tall and just breathe. Then take that down, give it a little shake. Let's try the left side. Grab the left foot. Put your hand inside and just rock. Nice and slow, breathing in and breathing out. And then grab the back of that leg, give a little squeeze into the chest. And take it down and shake it out. Go ahead and take the back, put your hands on the back of the right knee. Place the foot outside the left. Flex that left foot. Interlace your fingers on that shin bone. Sit up nice and tall. We're going to do a twist here. So there's two different versions of this. You can keep your left leg out long, or kind of kick that heel back for a deeper stretch and a twist. Sit up nice and tall. Collarbones are wide open. Take a breath in. Lift the crown of the head, and then you're going to exhale and twist over to the right. That means hugging that right knee into your chest. Left fingers come on a diagonal off your hip. Either look over your right shoulder or gaze forward towards the camera. So take a breath in and exhale, twist. Another breath in and out. Come back to center, put your hands on your shin bone. Take your hands on the back of the leg as you take the left one out. Take it out gently and shake it out. Go ahead and place your hands on the back of the left thigh. Flex the right toes and put the left foot on the floor. Sit up nice and tall. Interlace your fingers on that shin bone. Sit up nice and tall. Take a breath in. And exhale, twist over to the left. Hug that left knee into your chest. Gaze over your left shoulder or gaze forward. Collarbones are wide open. Take a breath in and out. Good. Another breath in and out. Gently come back to center. Take that leg out and shake it out. I'm going to do one more stretch before the relaxation, I promise. It's nice to do all these opening of the hips sometimes because we sit too much. We're going to do fire log. So fire log, ankle in line with your knee, foot is flexed. Take the other leg, ankle in line with the knee as well, kind of like this. So it's like a fire log. Flexing both feet. Some of you may not be able to do this. You might need some blanket underneath your knee or a block, or just see how far you can get. Otherwise, keep the alignment, ankle and knee, ankle, knee and ankle. Sit up nice and tall. Reach the arms up, and then you can fold over like this for a deeper stretch. Drop the head. You may feel a big stretch in the hips and the lower back, and just breathe. And just stay folded over if you like, or stay sitting up. Either one is totally fine. It's a big, deep hip opener. Another breath in and out. Gently come out of that, lift the leg up, take it down, shake it out. Other side. Let's switch sides. Put the left ankle on top of the right knee, right ankle below the left. Flex both feet. Sit up nice and tall. So one side might be a little easier than the other to do. And use props if you need them. Put it underneath the knee, or just try one leg at a time. Bring the arms up, interlace the fingers, reach up, and then you can fold over, drop the hands, drop into this, and just breathe. I feel it in my outer left hip, so just breathe into that. Keep your feet flexed. Stay there as long as you like, and just breathe. Otherwise, come back to sitting up. Continue to keep the feet flexed as you sit up tall, or fold it over your legs. Either one is fine. Take another breath in and exhale. And then slowly come back. If you're over your legs, come up to sitting and go ahead and take the legs out and shake them out. Okay, so we're going to set up now for the relaxation, the savasana that I was talking about. So what I'm going to do is set you up for this. I'll talk you through it. And then I'm going to leave you in quiet and stillness, and I'll play some yoga music so you get to stay as long as you like. This is a nice little cozy time, especially since it's been so cold out. I grabbed those big pillows off my bed. So I'm going to use one for my head. I'm going to use one for under my knees. Everybody always forgets about the knees. I like to have something under my knees when I do shavasana. Also grab a nice cozy blanket. I got a nice blanket. It's also nice just to have an extra blanket weighted on the stomach because it helps to ground you more. So now to set up. So everybody's going to be different. So it depends on where you like to have the blanket or the bolster or your pillow underneath your knees. Everybody's different. And for the back of the head, have your pillow. I like to have the blanket across my waist for more grounding. And then once you get comfortable and situated on the floor, move your feet back and forth, circle at your ankles, circle at your wrist, and reverse. And just make the adjustments, whatever's comfortable for you. You want to be nice and comfortable and cozy on the floor because you're going to be here for a while. And like I said, everybody's different about where you would like to lay your props or how high up you like to have your knees or your head. So take that time and find what's comfortable for you. And once you have, go ahead and just rest your hands on your body or out long alongside the body as you place the palms up towards the ceiling. And just go ahead and close your eyes. And just take a nice deep breath into your belly. And then exhale, just release everything down into the ground. Another deep breath in. And exhale, release everything down into the ground. And just allow yourselves to really sink into your props and just feeling the whole body relaxed and letting go. Take a quick scan of the body and see if you're holding any tension in the body. And with each exhale, just release, let everything go. So staying with your breath. And with each exhale, you're sinking down, down into the ground. So I will be leaving you here in silence. I will continue to play the yoga music for you, and you stay here as long as you're comfortable with.